Hello DP1. Today we are going to look at a cumulative frequency graph. So normally your graph is given in this region. Only the data is given for continuous data and the frequency is given. So we will need an extra column for cumulative frequency to draw a cumulative frequency graph. So cumulative frequency basically means the frequency calculated so far. So far the total is 16. And then so far the total here is 54. That is 16 plus 38 giving you 54. Then the total is 104. 54 plus 50 is 104. After that my cumulative frequency is 140. We get that by 104 plus 36. So basically the formula, the description for cumulative frequency is the frequency calculated so far. 140 plus 32 is giving you 172. 172 plus 19 is 191. 191 plus 6 is 197 and total. So there were a total of 200 students surveyed. That 200 should be equals to, when you add all that, the total here should be also giving you 200. Now, when we're going to draw the cumulative frequency graph, you are always going to look at that. I'm picking up this one now. So 50 and 16. 50 and 16. You can see my point there. Then you have 154. 154 corresponds there. 150 and 104. 150, 104 is somewhere there. Sorry. And then 200 and 140. 200 and 140 is corresponding there. Likewise, 350, 197. 350 and 197 and 400 and 200. Now, we can find our lower quartile, upper quartile, median, any percentile from the cumulative frequency graph. We can also use here to learn how to find the median, the upper quartile and the lower quartile using the cumulative frequency graph. Okay, let's first look at the median. Median, you know, is 50% of 200. The middle of 200, which is the 100%. So on this, you can see number of people and frequency goes here. So to read your median, we'll go to 100, go to the graph and read down the value. So your median rise in this region, 100 to between 100 to 150, right? That's where our median will lie. Okay, next to find the 25th percentile, that means we have to find 25% of 200 people, which is, we can say 25% of 200 is 50. So the 50th percent is giving us the lower quartile. So again, we'll go to the graph, go to 50 and come down. So your lower quartile person is between the age of, or now is between 50 and 100. The lower quartile is between this region. That's where my lower quartile region will lie on. Okay, and then of course you can pick up just a particular value. According to my graph, it's 150. When you draw, your graph would be little different from mine. It's according to your scale. And then we are finding the upper quartile, which is the 75th percentile of the 200 score. So 75% of 200 is 150th percent. 150 is there. We are going and you are going to read the value. So it's probably somewhere between 200 and 250. Let's say 220. So upper quartile would be 220. And you know your minimum, your maximum. Now you have your median, your lower quartile, upper quartile, minimum and maximum. You can even draw the box and whisker using that. Thank you.